Welcome to the deep dive. So you've asked if you can basically make yourself have a lucid dream tonight just by focusing on your body in the dark.
Yeah, it's a really cool question. And, it actually taps into some real sleep science.
Okay.
What you're describing sounds a lot like a technique called SLLD. That's SSILD, Senses-Initiated Lucid Dream.
Senses initiated. Okay.
Exactly. And we've got some info here on how that works, other ways people try to trigger lucid dreams quickly, and, what might actually help tonight.
So the mission is to unpack this, see what's realistic, maybe get some actionable steps.
That's the plan. Give you a clear picture and some things to try out.
All right. So this idea of focusing on the body, it's not just pulling it out of thin air.
Not at all. It connects directly to this principle.
Yeah.
If you heighten your mental focus on sensory stuff as you're falling asleep,
Right.
that awareness might just carry over into the dream state.
Ah, okay.
Now, SSILD usually includes focusing on vision and hearing too, not just the body. But your idea nails the body sensations part of it.
Yeah. So the hope is that sensory focus kind of primes the pump for the dream.
Precisely. And the dark room, that's smart. Cutting out visual noise can, really make you notice those internal feelings more strongly.
That makes sense. And I read somewhere that just being more aware generally, like during the day, helps too.
It absolutely does. Techniques like SSILD might work partly by making you more sensitive to your perceptions right as you're slipping into REM sleep.
Which is the main dreaming stage.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And there's research suggesting SSILD can be, pretty effective, maybe even as good as other techniques like MILD.
MILD, we'll get to that one.
We will, yeah. But also, check this out. There's research on something called TLR. Targeted lucidity reactivation.
Okay.
It shows the brain can respond to sensory cues during sleep, especially if you sort of train yourself beforehand by focusing on senses. So your idea, it fits right in.
Huh. And it sounds a bit like mindfulness too, like a body scan meditation.
You got it. Big connection there. Both mindfulness and body scans build up your attention skills, your metacognition.
Metacognition, knowing that you're knowing, being aware of your own thoughts.
Basically, yeah. Which is crucial for realizing, hey, I'm dreaming. And body scans, they focus directly on physical feelings, just like your plan.
Okay, so focusing on my body sounds like a decent shot for tonight. But you mentioned other fast techniques.
Right, yeah. So there's mild mnemonic induction of lucid dreams. That's where you repeat an intention like, next time I'm dreaming, I'll remember I'm dreaming, while visualizing it.
Okay, intention setting.
Often paired with WBTB, wake back to bed.
Wake back to bed.
Yeah, you wake up after maybe 5 hours, stay up for a little bit, 20 or 30 minutes, then go back to sleep, aiming for lucidity. Hits those longer REM cycles later in the night.
Any others?
There's wild wake-initiated lucid dreaming. Trying to go straight from being awake into a dream while staying conscious the whole time.
That sounds hard.
It can be, yeah.
Yeah.
Especially for beginners. And then there's reality testing, like checking your hands or trying to push a finger through your palm during the day.
Hoping the habit carries over into dreams.
Exactly. But that's more of a long-term strategy, usually.
Okay. Now, I mentioned I've had, tiny lucid moments before, brief ones.
Yeah.
Does that help my chances tonight?
Oh, absolutely. That's a big plus. It suggests you already have some natural ability there, some sense of what it feels like to recognize you're dreaming.
Good to know. So, dark room is step one. What else for the environment?
Consistency helps. A regular sleep schedule, if you can. Definitely avoid screens right before bed. That blue light messes with melatonin.
Right, the blue light.
And maybe some relaxation beforehand, meditation, deep breathing, even a warm bath. Just wind down.
Okay, brass tacks. Realistically, what are my odds for tonight? Just doing the body focus thing.
Well, look, it's possible. Some people respond quickly to sensory methods like this or TLR. But honestly, consistent success usually takes practice.
Right.
One night is just one night, especially without, regular practice beforehand. Your method has potential, for sure, but tonight is a bit of a lottery ticket. Combining it might help, though.
Combining it,
Okay.
with the intention setting.
Yeah. Or maybe that wake back to bed thing.
Okay, so lay it on me. What's the protocol? If I'm really going for it tonight, what should I do?
All right. To maximize things, lie down in total darkness for, say, 10 to 20 minutes before you expect to fall asleep. Just lie still and intensely focus on all the sensations in your body. Everything.
Okay, intense focus.
While you're doing that, repeat an affirmation. Something like, tonight I will realize I am dreaming, and I will be aware of my body's sensations in the dream.
Got it. Affirmation.
Try to visualize a recent dream, maybe one where you remember feeling something physical, and imagine yourself recognizing that feeling as a dream sign.
Visualize recognizing the sign.
Okay.
Okay.
And if you're up for it, consider the WBTB. Set an alarm for about 5 hours after you fall asleep.
5 hours.
When it goes off, get up for maybe 20 or 30 minutes. You could read a bit about lucid dreaming or just try to remember any dreams you had earlier. Critically, use this time to really reinforce that intention. Focus on sensations again, repeat the affirmation, then go back to sleep.
Reinforce the intention during the wake up.
Yes, and during the day today, do a few reality checks. Look closely at your hands. Try pinching your nose and see if you can still breathe. Build that habit of questioning reality.
Okay. And make sure the room stays dark and quiet, relaxing routine.
You've got it. Dark, quiet, relax. Give yourself the best possible conditions.
All right, so wrapping this up, focusing on body sensations is a solid approach. It aligns with SALD, research backs up the sensory awareness link.
Yeah.
Tonight's just one shot, but combining my body focus idea with setting a clear intention, maybe doing that WBTB thing, that gives me the best chance.
That's the idea. It stacks the deck in your favor as much as possible for a single attempt. And seriously, your prior experience, that's a genuine advantage.
Good.
Just got to remember, consistency is usually key for making it happen more often. Don't get discouraged if tonight isn't the night.
Right. So regardless of tonight's outcome, what's the next step?
Oh, definitely keep a dream journal. Start tonight or tomorrow morning. Write down what you tried, what you dreamt, any weird sensations or potential dream signs.
Track everything.
Yeah, over time, you'll start to see patterns, figure out what works for you. It becomes this amazing personal feedback loop.
That makes a lot of sense. Get personalized insights. Okay.
So a final thought to leave you with.
Yeah.
Think about how the subtle language of your own body, the sensations you're going to focus on, might just be the key to unlocking this incredible world inside your dreams. And maybe what other senses could hold similar keys.
Food for thought. Thanks for exploring this deep dive with us.